there! Welcome to our show. Today we're going to explore a topic that touches all of our lives, mental health. The good news is there are simple hacks that can improve your mental well-being in just 5 minutes. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or simply want to maintain your mental balance, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about breathing exercises. We breathe all the time, but are you aware of how powerful mindful breathing can be? One technique is called the 4-7-8 method. Here's how it works. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds, and exhale slowly for 8 seconds. This helps calm your nervous system and reduces stress almost instantly. Let's try it together. How is that? Feel free to practice this anytime you feel anxious or need a quick mental reset. Next up, let's talk about gratitude journaling. This is one of my favorite hacks. Grab a notebook and jot down 3 things you're grateful for every day. It could be anything from your morning coffee to a kind word from a friend. By focusing on the positive, you'll shift your mindset and improve your mood. It takes just a few minutes, but the impact on your mental health can be profound. Speaking of impact, let's move on to physical activity. Now, don't worry, you don't need to run a marathon. Even a short walk around your block can boost your mood and energy levels. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood enhancers. Stretching is also great for relieving tension in your body. You can do this at your desk or during a break from work. Just roll your shoulders, stretch your arms overhead, and take a few deep breaths. You'll feel more relaxed and focused in no time. Another effective hack is mindfulness meditation. It's a great way to ground yourself in the present moment. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Notice how your body feels as you breathe in and out. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Even just a few minutes of this can help reduce anxiety and improve clarity. Moving on to digital detox, which is really important in today's tech-heavy world. Try turning off your devices for a few minutes and just be present with your surroundings. Whether it's taking a walk outside or reading a book, giving your mind a break from screens can do wonders for your mental health. Speaking of taking breaks, let's discuss setting boundaries. Whether it's work, relationships, or technology, knowing when to say no is essential for your mental well-being. Give yourself permission to take breaks, step back, and recharge. Now, let's talk about self-compassion. It's easy to be hard on ourselves, but practicing kindness towards yourself can go a long way in improving your mental health. Treat yourself as you would treat a friend in need of support. Positive affirmations can also help boost your self-esteem and mood. I am capable and strong. I am deserving of love and respect. I am enough just as I am. Repeat affirmations like these daily for a quick mental health boost. Last but not least, connect with others. Taking 5 minutes to call a friend or family member can help combat feelings of loneliness and isolation. Social connections are vital for our mental well-being, so make it a point to reach out regularly. Next up, let's talk about the importance of sleep. Getting adequate sleep is crucial for your mental and physical health. A quick hack to ensure better sleep is to create a calming bedtime routine. This could include reading a book, dimming the lights, or practicing gentle stretching before bed. Prioritize your sleep, and you'll notice a big difference in your mood and energy levels. Another mental health hack is creative expression. Whether you enjoy drawing, painting, or writing, spending 5 minutes engaging in a creative activity can serve as a powerful emotional release. Let your mind wander and see where it takes you. Even if you don't consider yourself an artist, giving yourself a creative outlet can be incredibly therapeutic. Before we wrap up, let's touch on the importance of healthy eating. Nutrition plays a major role in your mental health. A quick way to boost your mood is to incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fish and walnuts, and foods high in antioxidants, like berries and leafy greens. These nutrients support brain function and can help maintain emotional stability. Another simple yet impactful mental health hack is music therapy. Listening to your favorite songs can quickly improve your mood and energy levels. Whether it's calming classical music or upbeat pop songs, choose the genre that resonates with you and take a few minutes to immerse yourself in the sounds. Remember, These hacks are simple yet powerful tools you can use to improve your mental health in just 5 minutes. Give them a try and see how they work for you. Thanks for joining me, and take care of yourself. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos.